Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Poseidon here. Today guys, we got ourselves the My Nintendo rewards. They have just come in. I did end up purchasing some things that cost me about 1,500 platinum points, and I did get them from My Nintendo. So let's see what we got. Alright, so we ended up getting a Pokemon item. It is a Pokemon Legends cable strap from Mario. I think it is from Mario. It is a 2023 calendar, which is kind of nice. And then, of course, we got ourselves a DC Superhero Girls Teen Power. What do you want to call this? Like a bag, basically. I don't even know what to call these. I haven't had one of these in a while, but obviously this one is not for me. This is for someone in the family. Um, Then of course this one, I'm definitely gonna use this. I definitely need this for some of the stuff. I have a lot of wires and a lot of cables and stuff. And of course, calendar is kind of cool. I was supposed to get a Pokemon Splatoon thing. It was a keychain. I'll probably just make a YouTube short on that. Again, these are all technically free. You only have to pay for shipping. It cost me $7.40 total. Took about a week or so to get here. Really cool. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.